Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus, one of the best value for money tablets that you can buy these days. So hello guys and welcome at Test and Review. Today I want to present you one of the very decent, shall I say, almost premium tablets that Android tablets that are on the market. I wanted to make it quick unboxing video. Actually the first time I'll be opening this tablet, present you to the main features and specification before the full review after I give it some time testing and stuff like that. So before we begin with the actual unboxing, let me show you the specification of this bundle. So here you have couple of very important things: very bright display, 12.7 3K pure side pro display, battery life which is quite decent, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8, this is a pretty good processor, Lenovo AI Now which ensures enhanced AI features, and the support of the Lenovo Tab Pen Pro, which is included in the package here together with a keyboard. So very nice package, keyboard, pen, and the tablet itself, of course, sound by Harman Kardon, so you will get some pretty nice sound out of this tablet. So very nice features straight out of the box. And now, if you allow me, I will continue with the actual unboxing of this product. Let me just cut it open real quickly. I didn't get the sharpest of knives, unfortunately. So let me do this real quick with this knife. So instead of wasting your time, I got another one. This one should be better. Very tough packaging, very nicely packaged. To be honest, recyclable materials of the packaging, so well done Lenovo in this regards. So let me just pull it that way and see what's inside. Actually guys, it's really the first time that I'm opening the box, so I hope there's tablet inside, or at least I hope for one, and keyboard and a pen. So what is inside? Thanks for choosing our products. I guess this is the keyboard itself. Yeah, I'll come by this later on in the review. Just let's see what's inside. This should be the tablet itself. Okay, quite thin to be honest, and not that heavy, not the lightest of tablets that you can get. Initially I was aiming at 11-inch tablet, but came upon this offer, and really capable device, especially the hardware with the Snapdragon and the 3K display. It really got me, so I hope it's gonna be a good deal, this one. And let's see what else is inside. I don't know what's this, but it is empty. Let's see what's here. Some booklets. What's that, a needle or pin or something like that? I'll check it later. You have a cable, but no charging brick, of course. And the Lenovo Pen Pro. So this is all that's included in the package. There's some free spaces. I don't know if there other accessories with this tablet, or it's just a box that is used for other Lenovo products as well, but that's generally the cable, Lenovo pen, some booklets, the tablet itself, and in this box we have the keyboard itself, which I'm gonna test thoroughly. Now let's open this and see what is the tablet. To be honest, I don't know what color I chose. From what I see right now, it might be a teal color or something like that. So this is going to be a surprise for me as well. Let's pull out the sleeve. And yes, it's a teal color, very interesting, very nice. It looks like premium finish. Very nice first impressions. You have the dual cameras on the back, 13 megapixel, and the front facing camera right here. So this is what's included in the package. I just wanted to give you the quick unboxing video. I'll test the tablet, share more information in my next video, so stay tuned, subscribe, and let's get on this tablet together, share impressions with you. If you already have it, let me know what you think about it, some advices how to best use it, and see you in the next one. Bye bye guys.